Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this Python programming assignment. It is the days of the week assignment, and over here on the left side you can see that I have the instructions, and over on the right side I have the program already written and typed out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read the instructions and retype the program on the left hand side and walk you through what I'm doing so that you can learn how to write this program on your own. Alright, let's get started. So it says, create a program that asks the user to pick the day of the week. Show them 1 equals Monday, 2 equals Tuesday, 7 equals Sunday, and so on. The user will type in the integer 1 to 7, and you will report the day. If the user gives you a value outside this range, you should display an error message to the screen. First thing we want to do is display a print statement that will tell the user what they need to do in this program and what the program's going to do. So, in this program, you will need to pick a day of the week. Oops, add a period. That's just a little intro statement so that the user knows what to do. Right, now what we want to do is display the days of the week and the corresponding number to the user. What I'm going to do is do 3 quotes up here so that I can split lines like I did over on the right hand side. And then I'm going to say the days of the week are 1 equals Monday, 2 equals Tuesday, 3 equals Wednesday, 4 equals Thursday, 5 equals Friday, 6 equals Saturday, and 7 equals Sunday. I'm going to end the 3 quotes and end the parenthesis. And what this code is going to do is it's going to show this neat output of which day corresponds to which number. Right, now what we want to do is get the day of the week that the user picks from the user. So I'm going to assign this to the variable day of the week. And I'm going to say integer, because it's going to be a whole number. It has to be 1 through 7 and a whole number. Input. Please pick a day of the week. Then I'm going to add this little space at the end here so that the user does not have to type in a space when they're entering their answer. It'll just make the code look more neat. If they were to not type in a space, it wouldn't look as good. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to do an if-elif statement, and basically with this, what the program does is once the user types in their number for the day, it'll jump through each of these and it'll check if the variable day of the week equals 1. If it doesn't, it'll skip to the next one. If it doesn't equal 2, it'll skip to the next one. And it'll keep doing that until it finds what it equals. And let's say it equals 4, so then it stop at 4, execute this block of code indented within this elif statement. Then it would jump out of this entire block of code and go on to execute whatever's next after it, which in this case we don't have anything. Right, so we are going to start this. We're going to say if day of the week equals 1, and you need this equals here because you're saying if it is actually equal to 1, you're not reassigning day of the week to be equal to 1. It's not an assignment statement. Right, then we want to print Monday. And this is where the code gets a little bit repetitive because we have to go through each day of the week. But nothing we can't handle. If it equals 2, print Tuesday, elif day of the week equals 3, print Wednesday, elif day of the week equals 4, print Thursday, if day of the week equals 5, print Friday, oops, need the quotes there, print Friday, if day of the week equals 6, print Saturday, if day of the week equals 7, print Sunday. And that's it for the days of the week, but it does say to display an error message if the user picks a value outside of the range. So now what we're going to do is write else, since it's the last option, and if none of these execute, it's going to jump to this else. If one of these executes, it will not jump to this else statement. So then we are going to say print an error has occurred. All right. And that's pretty much it for this program. That's really all you need to do. You can go in and add some comments in areas where you think the code might be tricky. That'll just make it easier for anyone who's reading your code to understand, and if you're looking back on your code, it's easier to just pick up where you left off and know what you were thinking. All right, I'm going to run this and show you what it looks like. And you can see it. It printed this little intro, then gave this nice display of which number corresponds to which day. Then it says, please pick a day of the week. So what I'm going to do is pick 4. And it says Thursday. But I did have an error here, it looks like. Thursday. Just fix that. And I'm going to run it again. And I'm going to show you what would happen if I did pick a day out of this range. So I'll go with 9. An error has occurred. All right, that's everything for this lab then. Works good, runs good. And that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed.